Hello everyone, welcome to Nilanjana's exclusive English lessons. Today I am here to help you with prepositions, and yes, this is the most dreaded part of the English language paper. This exercise will help the students of grade 8, 9, 10, 11th as well as 12 because prepositions are there in your paper across all these grades. So I hope, yes, you are with me and you are listening carefully to this video. We are going to practice 25 sentences and we are going to find out the prepositions. Okay, so the first one, we should abide dash the rules. So the answer for this one is by. We should abide by the rules because hamesha wherever there the word abide is there, it is followed with the preposition by. The next one, she is a nice girl. Do you think I should ask her out? Ask her out matlab you are asking somebody to come and spend some time with you. So the preposition over is out. Now, my dear students, in your English language paper for the ICSE and ISC, most of the time, 50% of prepositions are phrasal verbs. So if you have a doubt with phrasal verb, it is a combination of verb as well as a preposition. So ask her out, it means like where you are asking, inviting somebody to come and spend some time with you, especially when you ask a girl out or ask a boy out. Of course, you're going out to date. This can be in any way it can be used. He crashed his car and then his engine blew up. Engine blew up means what? Engine blew up means like a blast, a minor blast. And the car stopped functioning. So the preposition is up. Someone broke dash the apartment last night. Broke into the apartment. Broke into means forcefully when you're entering somebody's house without informing the person. It could be some robbers. It could be some unknown person. So basically, forcefully entering somebody's house. I bumped dash her on the way back from the theater. Again here, the preposition will be into. I bumped into her. Accidentally, you meet somebody who you don't, probably you didn't expect that you will meet this person, but you accidentally meet this person. So here also it will be into. Let's call dash the match today in view of the bad weather. The preposition is off. Let's call off the match today. This means postpone. Let's cancel the match today because there is bad weather. The seventh one, I want you to calm dash first, calm down first. We often use this when we try to console somebody who is really very anxious or could be depressed, somebody who is sobbing. Therefore, we use this preposition, calm down first. Yesterday, the eighth one, yesterday my dad came dash this old photo in the drawer. So my dad came across, suddenly he comes across this old photo in the drawer. Ninth one, you are lagging behind in maths. You need to catch dash with the rest. You need to catch up with the rest. The preposition is up. Now, what does catch up mean? Where you have to keep your pace. Probably you need to work a little faster than before so that you can be at the same pace with the other children of the class. The 10th one, he cheated dash his girlfriend. This sentence I hear often from my students. Probably, this is a very common phrase that I get to hear these days. So, of course, you know the answer. He cheated on his girlfriend. He cheated on his girlfriend means when you are not loyal to someone, when you are probably betrayed somebody, that way we say he cheated on his girlfriend. The cyclists were cheered dash by the crowds. The cyclists were cheered out by the crowds. Now, cheered out, what does this mean? Cheered out means when you appreciate somebody, when you try to motivate somebody by, giving a huge round of applause, that is cheering out. There is one more way to say the word cheer when we cheer up someone. Cheer up is used when somebody is depressed and somebody who's really not very happy, feeling low. That's when you cheer up the person. But here it will be cheered out. I hope the difference is clear. Today evening, the 12th one. Today evening, let's chill dash. Again, a very common one. We often use it in our conversation. Let's chill out. Chill out means relax. Very simple. The day shift was clocking dash. Clocking dash, answer is off. Clocking off. What does this mean? When there is a transition between the day shift and the night shift, people who are working in shift, Sometimes at one point of time, the shift ends. So that's when we say the day shift was clocking off. It's coming to an end. I always count dash my mom's blessings. Now, yes, this is very important. We should always count on my mom's blessings. And yes, mom's blessings are very important because they are a big support system for us. So count on is the answer. You depend, count on means you depend on your mom's blessings. I am thinking dash buying a home. I'm thinking of buying a home. Very simple. We always think of doing something. We move on to the 16th one. I checked the cart and found that I crossed dash the wrong thing. Answer is crossed off. Check the cart when we are doing online shopping. Most of the time, we may make a mistake. So what we do is instead of buying something when we have already opted for it, we always tend to cross off the wrong thing. Like probably we wanted it, but somehow we crossed off, cancelled the wrong thing. So crossed off, and it is a OFF off. We should cut dash on sugar. Again, this is often heard, especially for people who are on a diet and they are trying to reduce their calorie intake. So the answer is cut down, means reduce the intake of sugar. She cut dash's picture from the magazine. Again, this is a phrasal verb. Cut down jaise ho sakta hai, cut out is also possible, but what is the meaning of cut out? When you basically cut out the picture from a magazine. 19th, they waited for the tumult to die down. Tumult means a huge noise, a lot of chaos. So they waited for the noise to die down, reduce. When the noise reduces, when the chaos subsides, this is the meaning of the word die down. I wanted to do dash my new house. I wanted to do up my new house. I wanted to do up. What does this mean? Maybe you have bought a new house and you want to do the interiors. So this is like doing up the new house. This means that you want to decorate your new house. She dressed dash royally for the wedding. She dressed up. She dressed up royally for the wedding. We all dress up when we want to go out somewhere. And yes, this is the preposition. The clergy said, all raise your glasses and drink dash Katie and Tom. Answer is 2. Now, what does this mean? Raise your glasses and drink to. Drink to Katie and Tom. What does this mean? Where we are raising a toast. Raising a toast means when we are cheering for somebody, especially when we do it for a wedding or an engagement or for such functions, we usually say this kind of sentence. Drink to Katie and Tom. Wish them good luck for their life. My neighbor dropped dash suddenly. Dropped in. Dropped in matlab kya? Obviously, matlab it's not like falling down or something. Dropped in means suddenly, this person comes to visit you. Dropped in, a sudden visit, which you did not expect. We have a meet dash with our old friends this weekend. We have a meetup. We have a meetup, a meeting which you have already planned prior with your old friends. Then last one, I have lived in this place long enough. It is time to move on. It's time to move on means it's time that you look forward to a fresh start and to a new experience altogether. Leave behind your old memories of this place and move on to a new place. So these were the sentences of preposition and phrasal verbs. I hope it helped you. And if you need more exercise like this, do share it with the comments. Let me know how you liked it, and study well, do well for your exam. Hardly 1 month, 1.5 months left. This exercise will also help you in your pre-board. And yes, if you are looking for a tense explanation, do check out the course, a recorded course on tense, where you get loads of practice worksheets. You can learn it at your own pace, at your own convenience. That's all from me today. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye.